up, buddy?
Hi.
What is it?
No.
It's January, what day is it? January 24th. And we're in the middle of a quote-unquote historic ice and snowstorm. They're supposed to get anywhere from 6 to 18 inches. It snowed all night last night, and we've probably got 5 now, and then another round supposed to hit in a little bit. But it sleeted for a while first, so the roads are just solid ice. So we're gonna do the safe thing. We're gonna clean off the truck and go to Bell Park and go sledding. So, yeehaw, let's ride. Official snow count as of 11 a.m. is about 3.5 inches. Heck yeah, we're supposed to get another 5 or 6 tonight. So I'm hoping to see over a foot. In my lifetime, I've only seen 11 inches in this area. So we're hoping to see a foot or more.
Can I slide over there?
Yeah, why not? Oop. Gotta put them to work. There you go. Make sure you don't claw it up. Tear her, because it'll claw her paint up. You get all that big stuff up there.
Okay, Dad.
Denied. Miss me. Oh yeah, he got me. Never mind. What are you doing, Goober? Kids, goobers. Hey, it's a snow day.
It's a snow day.
What's up, Haddock family? Snow day. Brantley, snow day. We're all bundled up. We're heading to meet Carrie, Jonathan, and Emily at Bell Park, and hopefully not slide off the road, because it is solid ice. Well, we got 3.5-ish inches of snow at our house and a ton of ice. The road's got like probably 1/4 inch or more ice on it, so we did the only responsible thing. Loaded up, we're heading sledding. The responsible thing.
And somebody two teenagers were driving on the road and they got stuck and a side-by-side came and helped them.
That's true. Yep, we got to watch a big side-by-side help pull a truck up the hill, because they weren't real sure how to do it. They were trying to just floor it to get up the ice instead of just letting it creep along. Anyway, not everybody knows how to use it, I guess. We made it. We didn't even have to put it in 4-wheel drive. Now the kiddos are gonna go sledding. Go for it, B. Gonna start with the little hill, huh?
Not very sweaty.
No, we're gonna have to pack it down a bit first. Go, Paisy, go! She just pauses like, Wipe out your kids. We will. You ready?
No.
Yeah! It's good snow. Yeah. All right, ready? Look out! Wipe out. Ready? Woo. She beat you. Oh, I bet that felt good in that bump. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh God. We're going far. We're going.
They're gonna go forever. They're still going. What's sucks is I gotta bring it back. Send it, Mama. Yo, push. Uh-oh, I'm already turning. Oh! Oh, that's cold. The hill so she doesn't have to walk because it's slippery. She can't walk up the hill. You enjoying it, Paige? Here, son, take that. I got you. Oh, my fingers. It is slippery. I hope I got that. Oh, back in you go. Oh, my nose.
But you gotta go with Daniel too.
There's no offense, but me and Daniel are not fitting in that.
No, I don't think we will. Yes, sir. Yep. Oh, you missed. Missed again. Oh, they just went right through them. That was a good one, huh? Love you. Ready? You ready, Paige? Yeah. All right. Oh, she gonna miss.
Yeah.
Let's scoot over this way because it keeps. All right, here we go.
Watch out, Paige.
Oh, we missed it the other way. Go for it. Heck yeah.
Reach it!
Gosh. And stayed out in the cold a little too much. We got frozen feet. Bubba, you're all right. Let's go home and thaw out. If you want to see more from AR Family Adventures, be sure to follow us on all our platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. As always, thanks for the support. See ya.